Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ann Scarberry. In today's video, I want to share with you a very simple DIY gift that is boutique quality and a lot of fun and doesn't take too much skill to put together. I started with these corduroy hats that I ordered from Amazon. It came in a pack of 4, and I just really like the idea of a corduroy hat. Kind of gave me the Ralph Lauren vibes that are so popular right now. So I grabbed corduroy and I also grabbed a camouflaged hat that I thought it'd be kind of fun to do something funky with. I don't know if you're familiar with the Golden Goose tennis shoes that are popular. I'm not sure they're as popular as they were, but they kind of have this grunge vibe to them. And I'm kind of going with that look with this gold rub and buff. I just kind of put it all over the hat on some of the seams and on the bill, just to give it kind of an upscale worn look. Just keep adding the gold paint wherever you feel like it might naturally become a little bit dingy or dirty. I just went for the highlights, and I kind of wished I would have added more to it, but doing it again, I would definitely go heavier. I'm a maximalist, so more is more. So I'm gonna go heavier next time, but you do you. You do what you think you would like. This part is so much fun. I got to dig through my button collection. Of course, it came from my grandma. I go through this, I don't know, every couple of years if I have a project like this. I just love going through those old buttons. But that's the fun part. And this is the part where I think it'd be a fun craft night project for a group of friends. If you had all of the supplies kind of laid out on the table and everyone just kind of build their own hat. I think this is a great group project. I actually pulled this feather from my Christmas tree. I just love it so much. I got it from Hobby Lobby, and if I can link any of these supplies, I'll definitely put it in the description so you can order yours if you like what I'm using here. To attach the feather and the trims that I'm about to put on, I'm using a combination of hot glue and E6000. The E6000 will do a more permanent hold, while the hot glue will do an immediate hold. So the hot glue will hold it in place while the E6000 dries, and I think between the two you'll get a permanent hold. I chose some heavy duty brass buttons and they have this little extension on the bottom, so I just took some wire cutters and cut that off. You can see some places where my glue has leaked out from underneath my objects. That just kind of helps direct where I place things to cover up the glue. So on this patch, I'm gonna put E6000 around the edge of the patch, and then I'll hot glue the middle and then place it over the little glue spot that kind of seeped out from under that ribbon. I did not have the time to get to the camo hat for this video. It's already long enough, but I just wanted to give you an idea of some different ways that you can dress up these hats. All of the supplies for each hat only cost me about $8. So it's a very inexpensive craft to put together or a nice gift to make, and I just think they're so much fun. I will link all of the supplies that I use that can be purchased online, and let me know if you think this would be a fun girls' craft night project. I just think it's just wonderful. Okay, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this idea, and I hope you are inspired to make your own. I will see you all in the next video.